The K1122 is literally the pressure washer that started everything pressure washer here at Obsessed Garage. It's kind of like the cornerstone of that entire world. The first one that Matt got, and it's what led him to pursue the 1322 for our wall mount setups. I'll say this, if you're looking for a portable pressure washer, the 1122 is absolutely as good as it gets. There's nothing else like it. So the first thing that makes it so good is its actual form. Everything is tucked very nicely into its frame. It has some really nice wheels on it. It has a plastic casing that goes around the actual body of it. It has some pockets for you to store your tools. And the last thing is the hose reel. This is one of those things that gets overlooked when you do a portable setup, but storing the hose and having a hose reel where you can coil it up very easily is incredible. If you've ever had 50 feet or 100 feet of hose and had to coil it up manually, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So this is really a lifesaver. Additionally, the hose that comes on it, unlike a lot of other cheaper pressure washers, is actually really good, and it's comparable to even our own Obsessed Garage high pressure hose. Moving on to performance, you can expect to get about 2 gallons a minute at around 1,000 PSI, depending on which nozzles you use with this unit. To explain a little bit about what those numbers mean, when we're trying to pick a pressure washer for detailing, the number that we're really focused on is flow, or gallons per minute. Anything above or around 2 GPM is really good, and PSI is largely irrelevant. We did a deep dive in that on our pressure washers buying guide, so you can check that out, but just know that 2 GPM at 1,000 PSI is very good. And the last thing we'll talk about is the serviceability or the durability on these units. So this is not a sealed pressure washer, meaning you can actually take it apart, service it. If you don't want to do it yourself, you can send it off to a service center to have it done for you. But basically what that means is you can run it for 50 to 100 hours, take it apart, change a couple valves and seals, and you basically have a brand new pressure washer. The 1122 is great on its own, but if you're really looking for the ultimate washing experience, you're going to want to budget in one of our portable solutions. That includes our own guns, our quick disconnects, hoses, and things like that. The accessories that the 1122 comes with are pretty good, but again, you're really going to want access to those short guns. You're going to want access to the quick disconnects, the foam cannons, things like that. It's going to elevate your washing and ownership experience quite a bit. If you're on the fence about buying one of these, I would highly recommend picking it up while it's on sale. They do not go on sale very often. And as always, you can get this either a la carte or in a solution at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments, or you can email support@obsessedgarage.com.